Now let's say that I want to create a component for a window that cuts an opening in the wall. I'm going to use the Offset tool to offset these edges on the top surface of this box in a short distance. And then I'll use the Push-Pull tool to push this interface down to the bottom of the box, thereby making a hole through the object. Triple-click to select All Connected and press G. Here we'll glue to a vertical surface because we want to make this a window, and we'll check here to say Cut Opening. Create. Click on the component in the Components window, and it's attached to the cursor. As you expect, you cannot insert it onto a slope surface, nor can you insert it onto a horizontal surface. SketchUp is going to ensure that it has to be only on a vertical surface because of the gluing plane, and when I click a point, SketchUp will cut through the wall surface and create an opening. Now, unfortunately, this only works on a single surface. If you have a double-lined representation for your wall, SketchUp will not cut through both surfaces. So this feature can be useful, especially when you're making an exterior model of a house and you want to place a window that cuts an opening into the interior. You can do that. But if you have a more realistic depiction of the wall with thickness, you're going to have to use another method. So right now, using this Cut Openings method, we've cut a hole in the wall, but we don't have any glass in there. But that's not a problem. I can go back to my component instance over here and open it for editing. Then I can add a surface here. I'm going to heal this by drawing a line across the bottom. And then I'll reverse this surface so that it's facing outward. And then I'll press B to open up the Paint Bucket tool. I'll choose a pale blue color and set the opacity low. Click on the surface to create a partially transparent window. So this component now can be inserted in any vertical surface, and it will cut through the wall and show the glazing there. So basically, when you create components like this, make them flat on the red-green plane, that is, on the ground. Define them with a vertical gluing plane, and then they'll become instant windows that cut through the wall. With skylights, you want to set sloped as your gluing plane.